check me out with this shit. I've been hearing it a lot lately. Guys are sucking my dick. I appreciate the love,
Oh man, you sound so scary. Bloody motherfucker, bloody 10 packs, carry. Motherfucker Steve Harry. Motherfucker Jimmy Harry. It's hilarious, motherfucker, it gotta be so conspicuous, mysterious. It seems like the darker you say, it's gonna be scary. You talking shit about half, talking about you gonna do this and that, talking about you gonna cut me in half, talking about you guys are gonna shoot, you guys don't want no drama, don't want no drama. Motherfucker, save for the comma, save for the period. The motherfucker weapon, you get it, it's period. It's a situation, so you got you all tucked up. Motherfucker coming in wearing the motherfucker mask, and flip them up, that's to get your ass tucked up. Situation, give me the situation in the back of the van. I can keep the painter's van, keep it the picture with the bank, but the motherfucker weapon, leave it stick it on the mic stand.
And I don't need to be sounding all scary for shit to be scary, to put you in a cemetery, get your obituary, you get your motherfucker see the fragrance of the dead smell. Motherfucking as hard as nails, lyrical nails. Motherfucker whooping his hellraiser, but the motherfucker coming up in this motherfucking cube and cup it up and isolate you, navigate you into a motherfucking gravitational pull, put a hole in the skull. Motherfucker leave you leaking green shit about your nose. Motherfucker, let's go, wrap you up like a burrito. Motherfucker, but I ain't playing this. This is hocus pocus. You can suck my burrito out of my chonus. Motherfuckers in the situation, I plague up on you like locusts. Batman, abstain, but the motherfucker whoop it, do what I can. Smoking them and just crush you up like aluminum can. Man, you ain't doing what I can. You can't do the anthrax. Do the anthrax dance. Motherfucker, all the way there from the motherfucker, you wherever the fuck you guys came from, to Amsterdam, Netherlands, all the way to motherfucker Germany, to Canada. We rocket it, rocket it, rocket it, fucking whoop it, put your bones in the socket, so we do the fucking whoop it, the crips, listen to do what I do, but say what I say, but we gon' spray EBK all day, every day, to the day I die. Motherfucker whoop it, in your section, motherfucker black off, cold home, but the 445 situation, got me the fucking attacking in, motherfucker, what you wanna get on beef for this situation? I'm gonna eat you, motherfucker, wash you down with some motherfucker wine and cheese.
I'm already dealing with stress and trauma. Got motherfucking head trauma. Now all of a sudden I'm thinking of movie episodes like the movie Psycho. Run up in the motherfucker wearing a raincoat and the axe, and come and hit you inside the head with it. Come and drag your body up into the kitchen and put your body decapitated and mess up in the refrigerator for later. Save it, eat it later when I'm watching motherfucker Sanford and Son. Motherfucker drinking a motherfucker Milwaukee's best, and I be laughing the motherfucker eating the leg. Motherfucker, I always run up on you, motherfucker, on a homie bicycle while I'm sitting on pegs. So me situation, I break your legs. Me and one leg and go crazy, but crack your eggs. Motherfucker doing no thing, I'm sick like AIDS. Motherfucker wouldn't try to get down to the bitch made in the shade. I'm gonna get you down to a sudden grave. Motherfucker take it down to a thunder. Motherfucker bring lightning and thunder. I'm out in the Stevie Wonder bitch made.
Living right, motherfucker living, staying up all night. I'm tweaking, freaking black and miles. Motherfucker like child's play, I'm Chucky. Really get me lucky to get away from this situation. If you catch me on a bad day, catch me on a bad day, and it's gonna be on. You catch me in a good mood, I might just let it go and let it walk off. Motherfucker catch me in situations when I'm on a motherfucking acid trip. I might flip, I'm coming up with the kick of the game, and I kick it like a kick flip. Situation like an alien workshop skateboard. I'ma tear you up and do this to the motherfucking alcohol to your pores, cause you'll be stressing. Motherfucking man ain't depressing, man, motherfucking situation, two faces. So never gonna motherfucker, I'm two faces. Motherfucker take Jason, Masking, Michael Myers, slice tires. Motherfucker won't kick you up and set you on fires.
But you guys are really scary, you guys got me going on. I'm thinking about all the enemies and all the guns that they got in the videos, and all the homies that got wearing masks. And I just sit back, grabbing my nuts, and motherfucker sit back and couldn't help myself but laugh and thinking these motherfuckers got swag. Yeah, you guys, I gotta admit, I gotta love your videos, and I wish I was a motherfucking entrepreneur, could think of that type of shit. Wish I had the money for it, but I'm really broke, yeah, it's really true. I ain't doing this shit for money, and that's the truth. I do it for the love of the music, and if you don't like it, you can suck my dick. Other people don't understand it. I wish I could, motherfucker, I'm underrated. Shots out to the big homie X-rated. Motherfucker, now I'm play this with the way this. With the motherfuckers, truth is, you guys can't spray and spit the way I say this. You guys ain't that dope when it comes to the motherfucker. Chicken, break it down to the artichoke. Situation get dope, cause the motherfucker up, but the situation is I'm right now, motherfucker, straight low.
So pinky, with a bit of slinky, did it with the tinky, with the itty picky ticky ticky, with the eat it with the Twinkie. He's stinky,